Tonight we're going to review another chord progression. I call it the Gothic chord progression. We'll stay with the white keys, and this will be an A minor once again. However, there's a big change. The difference is the chord progression uses 1, 6, 7, 5. Now, the key to this chord progression is that we're not remaining in minor here. We're going to have a major key change, and that has to do with E. First we start with A, then we go with F, G, and then E. E is a major, so E would be E, G sharp, and then B. By the way, I haven't reviewed this yet. There's 3 different types of key changes, which is sharps, flats, and naturals. As you can see there, the top one's sharp, the second one's flat, the third one's natural, and there's a chord progression right there. Once again, it follows the 1-3-5 formula, so that's very important for you to remember. I think this is my second favorite chord progression. I've used this pretty frequently in a lot of my compositions that I've written in the past. Anyways, let me get to it. Let's do this for now. So it starts with A, as I said. A minor. I had to write that, A minor, it's important. A minor, F major, G major, and then E major. So it's important to know that the only key that's in minor is the A scale, or the A chord progression, the A chord, and you usually use a small m to signify that it's in minor. So let's get to it. So that's it. There will be one more chord progression that will follow suit, and that is the Heartbreaker chord progression number 2. Thank you. Bye.